guys, welcome to my channel. So let's make this Bustier top today. First of all, you need the sellotape, and then what I have to do is wear a very tight top and start wrapping it like I am doing. So this is the side seam. So from right side seam to left side seam you have to wrap, and please make sure you use a thick sellotape and wrap this entire part like this, and make sure you give a good amount of layering so that वो अच्छे से set हो जाए. So what I have to do is take a marker and then mark the way I'm doing. So you can change the neckline according to you, there's no issue in that, but I'll go for the sweetheart neckline. And make sure you make a thicker line so that it will be visible to you while you cut. Now once you make the lines, you can remove the tape, and please be very gentle and be very careful so that it would be easy for you to remove it, right? For now you can keep it aside. So this is after you remove the sellotape, and then you have to cut the panels that you have marked in the sellotape, then very carefully place in the paper. You can use any paper, you don't have to particularly use the white paper, you can use any paper, that's not an issue. And then very gently you have to press the sellotape and paste it on the paper. So meanwhile I'll tell you why I made this video, because many of you ask me how to start, where to start. They are very confused, like where do they start. So I thought instead of texting each one, let's make this video of basic bustier top, and then you can use it in anywhere. So guys, make sure you make the fine lines, okay? Like this is the side seam, this is called side seam, okay? In technical language this is called side seam. Once you trace the sellotape panels in the paper, you can cut the patterns. Now like this you have to do the same with the other panel. And guys, please make sure to number the panels, because you might forget. So this is called the side seam panel, so you can mark according to you. So repeat the same process for the other panels, and your front panel, like your front pattern is ready, but back is yet to do. Sometimes pattern making is tiring. For me, definitely it's tiring. And please take these two measurements, the waist circumference and the bust circumference. So let's assume this is your back design, and then what you have to do is take your bust measurement and divide it by 2. Minus 33 divided by 2, that comes 16. So this entire length will be 16 inches. You can take your measurement and divide it by 2. So same goes with the waist. My waist is 25 divided by 2, that comes 12.5. You can take your measurement. So this entire length will be 12.5. So this is only for the back side, because we are done with the front side. Written the calculation, so you can refer this also. So take a paper and fold it in half, because this is the center back, this is called center back, that's why. So this, the folding line will be the center back, like the center of your back. So all the measurements start from the center back. Take a bust measurement and divide it by 2, which was 16, and again divide it by 2, because the back is divided into 2 parts. So minus 8. So same goes with the waist measurement. Waist measurement divided by 2, again divided by 2, that was 12.5 divided by 2, 6.25. So minus 6.25, you can do according to your measurement, and then join all the points. So your back pattern is ready. Now you can double check the bust measurement and the waist measurement. Now you can trace the pattern to the fabric. And guys, make sure to give a good amount of stitch allowance. Like if you are new to stitching and you might make a mistake, and at least you have a enough amount of fabric left to make the adjustment. You can give 1 inch of stitch allowance, not an issue. And your panels are ready. You can attach the panels. And guys, it would be easy if you follow the lines that you have made in the fabric while attaching the panels. So we are done with the top, and I think this video might help you. And if you have any further doubts, you can comment, and do let me know your thoughts in the comment box. And yeah, I'm up for any suggestion. I hope you like it, and please do subscribe my channel, and please keep supporting me, and I'll come up with new videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.